What therapy for the eyes is the most effective? The answer is it depends on what your issue is. So, if you have a convergence problem, then the most effective therapy for you is going to be working on convergence. If you have, saccadic dysfunction, then it's working on that. If you have an accommodation issue, then it's that. If you have, it depends on what your problem is. And that's kind of, you can't, I find it difficult to answer these blanket questions of, what therapy is the most effective because it really depends on what the issue or impairment is. A lot of times people with eye problems actually have a vestibular problem. And so when you focus in on just the eyes because you're thinking it's my eyes because your eyes feel weird, you may miss the other problem, which may be the vestibular problem, or which may be a problem with your neck. So all of these systems play into each other. So the most effective therapy, it depends on what your issue actually is.